Good morning, good morning. Good morning. All right. Good morning. Let's have a great day. So we got Fed minutes coming out Wednesday, right? And then the Fed has a blackout November 30th. So most likely what's going to end up happening is I'm just giving my thoughts. So if we do end up rallying, right? The day that I think the Fed is going to drop the hammer is going to be November 30th because they don't want a repeat of the last blackout. So the last time they had a blackout, the market ended up rallying because there was some bullish sentiment. So, but then we could also think that the Fed wants us to rally in the short term. There's a lot of stuff going on, but basically, let's see what happens. It's going to be a fun time regardless. So for now, especially for, this week, it's going to be patient. It's going to be very, very patient. Only take high quality setups. Waiting for confirmation and things like that. Because, it's the holiday week. Lots of people are on vacation and so that should definitely affect the market. But yeah. 182.50 is very important support on the IWM, and if that ends up, if we break below 182.30, then also 280. Oh yeah, never mind. Things are starting to break below support. 283.30 is very important support on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we let's get a feel for the market. IV is not crazy. So for everyone that's new here, what we do is we're trading the, so when you open up your option chain, we're trading the options. So when you open up your option chain on the SPY, we're trading the closest dated expiration date. And for example, if I say I'm getting SPY puts, or if I say that I'm getting SPY calls, I'm getting the closest at the money calls or puts. So basically, if I don't specify which contract I'm buying, that means I'm buying the closest at the money contract. The NASDAQ is holding support pretty well. The IWM is also holding a bit at support. The SPY is also at 394.20. Things should. Interesting setup here. So we were holding support, but the issue is that the setup wasn't really there to go long. It's not like a safe, not a safe position. See, like even trying to go long over here with the stop loss at the lows right here, it just looks and feels very, very flimsy. Ideally, what I would rather wait for is even if this does bounce from here, it's not, you know, it's not a high quality setup. But they're basically painting a very like, look, we're holding support, but it's not worth it. Let's see. IWM is breaking below support. The NASDAQ is bouncing pretty hard. Let's see if the NASDAQ can break and hold above 283.50. Contracts are moving pretty garbage. That should be a continuation to the upside. Let's see. All right, let's buy SPY calls low of day stop loss. This is really interesting price action. Hmm. The IWM broke below support, made a new low of day. The NASDAQ is still holding 383.50. And the SPY is still holding support as well. the candles that we just saw. The candles that we just saw on the NASDAQ and the IWM are generally very, very bullish. We swept the lows and then we closed green. So now, I mean, if they're going to bring it up, it's still, you know, the market just seems very choppy and slow. But if they're going to bring it up, it has to be during this minute or the next minute to maintain the upward pressure. But basically, the SPY needs to break and hold above 3. All right, cool. All right, make sure you guys are taking some profits and leaving runners. Damn, holy crap. Wow. All right, yeah, I mean, it's very, very simple. Like, we played alongside the momentum. It held support pretty well. And just very simply, I mean, yeah, things just worked out. Congratulations. Nice little play. Make sure you guys don't let this go red. Nice. If you guys noticed, the contracts fell pretty heavily in terms of price. We dropped down to like 1.8 or 1.08 as we fell, but we were sitting at support. So things like that, they end up just playing around with premium because they want retail. They basically want you to get stopped out in terms of a percentage stop loss and stuff. So yeah. Gap fill plays Hamid. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Told you the line is stronger than Clifford. After the dump. Nice. Nice. Yeah, guys, easy money. Contract should have been up at least like 25%. So now here's the thing. We made money on this play. Great, congratulations. The thing is that not every single trade is going to work. Okay, so now that your portfolio is green, right, on this play, you need to solidify profits and not expect, oh, you know, I'm just following this guy, I'm gonna make 20% on every play. Doesn't work like that. You need to solidify your profits and look for base hits. Base hits, as you continue hitting base hits, that's what ends up making the home runs easier. So be patient. This isn't going anywhere. This market is not going anywhere. The only thing that goes away is your ability to play the game. And your ability to play this game is dependent on how much money you have. So if you lose all your money, then you have to wait for your next paycheck and all this other stuff. So just do your best to preserve your capital and be smart. That's it. Love you guys, man. Have a good one. Mm-mm. How much did you just make off that? Enough not to charge anybody. Oh, this is very like abnormal. If we can hold above 395.50, then this is gonna start flying to 396 and above. That's kind of weird. This is weird, aggressive buying pressure that we're seeing here. I don't know how sustainable this could be, but they're definitely showing a lot of buying pressure. That's weird. Interesting. So all we were doing is we were keying off the strength that the NASDAQ and the IWM were also showing. So when you're trading, you have to look at everything. You have to look at multiple charts. You can't just look at one. I'm gonna. Ooh, damn. Damn. Yeah. I'm gonna take some more profits here, and now I'm just gonna remain above. I'm gonna remain above. We'll see, but I'm just gonna let this remain in profit. Basically, we should be retesting. If this is like, all right, so look, so basically we should be retesting 395.15. If within the next 2 minutes we don't retest 395.15, then this is very, very bullish, because that 395.15 level is a pretty normal level to come back and retest, especially since we just broke this uptrend. All right, so if you're looking at the 1 minute chart, the SPY is in an uptrend. So usually when you break the uptrend here, we should come back and retest an important level of support. And if we don't come back and retest that important level of support, then that shows a lot of buying pressure. All right. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense that they brought it down here. Now that we're at 395.15, they're gonna most likely. But yeah, whatever. Let's just wait for another play. Those contracts should have been up at least like 35% for everybody. So 395.15 is holding. Not enough strength coming out of the NASDAQ. Let's see the NASDAQ close above 284. If it can do that, then we've got support holding. But otherwise, this would just be like you don't need 25K to day trade. If you guys open up a cash account, yeah, guys, please just Google cash account. Use a cash account. Basically, you could have any amount of dollar. You could have $2,000 in your account, and you can make 10 day trades, $10 $200 day trades every day. So, I would definitely recommend opening up a cash account. The NASDAQ's just broke below that level of support, but the SPY is holding support. It's something similar that we just saw with that 9:45 a.m. candle that I was like, okay, like the IWM and the NASDAQ broke below support, but the SPY is holding. So this is a repeat. Let's see. Well, it's not a complete repeat because the IWM didn't break below, but we see that the NASDAQ wicked below. So this is going to be a good indication of how much buying pressure there is immediately. Let's see. Yes, I have a YouTube channel and I have a Twitch. I'm streaming on both of them at the moment as well as TikTok. It's the same username as my TikTok account. Guys, there's like a lot of questions about, you know, I don't know how to start. What do I do? This is that. You guys could send me DMs on Instagram or on Discord and I'll respond to all of them. Any questions that you guys have about anything, just send me a message there. And literally any question that you guys have, bro, just send me send me all of them there. And yeah, I'll respond to those. If you guys want like books, courses, I don't know how to start, just send me a message there and I'll send you everything. Everything is literally for free online. All these people that charge money for all this stuff is just they're just marketing. All of the stuff online is literally the same. So you could see that we never broke and closed below 395.15. but it's not. I'm not really convinced about the strength. So if I were convinced and I was like, all right, we're gonna go long with this as a stop loss, I would have gone long with like 395.30 or 395.20 as a stop loss, because that would be a continuation of this upward momentum if we remain above those levels. But let's see. Yeah, basically going long here is it's like 50-50. If it does work, great, but there's no. Yeah. Yeah, so they painted a very bullish picture. Lots of retail definitely went long. And they ripped it down. So the reason why I wasn't convinced about that strength is because the NASDAQ and the IWM were showing a lot of weakness. That is definitely cap. Maybe it's just a miscommunication, but I've literally responded to everybody on Discord. If I didn't respond to you, then it just didn't show up on my sidebar. But over the past few days, I literally responded to everybody. And there are some people that I haven't responded to, but those are like not from a month ago. So yeah, man, I mean, maybe it's just miscommunication. But yeah, please just send me another message. Like, it's not trying to violate anyone, you know? I respond to the Instagram DMs literally the same day. So yep. So yeah, I'm expecting a bit more choppy price action due to Thanksgiving and the holidays. So let's see. Are IWM and SPY correlated in any way? Yes. The IWM, the SPY, and the QQQ, the NASDAQ, are all correlated. NASDAQ new low of day. The IWM has yet to make a low of day still. If you're from Italy, maybe try Interactive Brokers or Tasty Trade as a brokerage. I don't think it's a good idea. You talked earlier about 2K in a cash account. You recommend going small on every play or take more plays of full porting. No, never, ever full port. Ideally, you would only put 10 to 15% of your portfolio into every play that you take. That's like the safest way to trade. Because, so basically, if you have 2K, you would put like $200 or $300 into a trade, max. And then on that trade, you would have a stop loss at like 10 to 15%. And then that just basically allows the math to work in your favor. You're only taking high quality trade setups that have like above 75% success rate. And then the 25% of the trades that don't work out gets worked out eventually because, you know, you have a specified stop loss, etc., etc. So that's the only way to learn, and that's the only way to like win in the long term with trading. You have to make sure that you manage your risk and never ever full port. Because like I was saying earlier, the game is staying in the game long enough to learn how to play. Because at first, every single trader loses money. So, but once you lose all your money, you can't play anymore. So, name of the game is staying in the game long enough to learn. Have you ever full ported in your life? Yes, of course. This is the 1 minute chart. Yeah, there isn't really, the momentum is clearly falling, but we, held low of day on the SPY. My Bollinger Band settings are the same. This is just a 1 minute chart, so it looks different. But they're the default Bollinger Band settings. Yeah, I'm not entering anything right now. Literally entering right now, it's like a 50-50. No point of no point of forcing anything. I have made like 800 by watching your vids, man. Nice. That's crazy. Is this for real? Because I want to trade, but have a 3. Whoa, where'd the comment go? I have a 3-month baby I need to take care for and can't lose money. So nah, you shouldn't trade then. Because with trading you have to be okay with losing money. That's the only way that you're going to lose. That's the only way you're going to learn. Like, you're basically going to lose money. So if you have something like that you have to take care of, like, don't don't start trading. Trade, basically, like, you have to trade with money that you're going to be willing to lose. And yeah, I'm only trading the 0 DTE contracts, etc. Yeah, just use this time to learn. Use this time to learn, save up your money. Because the market's not going anywhere. So don't. And it's definitely not something that's gonna make you money overnight. You're gonna lose a lot. And trading is like 75% mental. So if you have like bills you have to pay and everything like that, and you're using money that you need to use towards bills, you're not going to be able to mentally like be comfortable with your trades. Like, you got to be loose when trading, and it's very difficult to be mentally loose when you have, you know, when you're forcing yourself that you have to make money. There's like courses and books I could send you. Young Chris, just send me a DM on Instagram or Discord. I could send you that stuff. Could you post the courses and books on your Discord? Yeah, if you guys, for anyone in the Discord, if you go to the education section, there's like everything is there. The reading material, the videos, all that stuff is there. I primarily, for myself, I use TD or interactive to trade. It's the easiest with like hotkeys and stuff. Plus Robinhood, because I missed out on like 70K on Robinhood back in like 2020. And then yeah, Webull is also just like similar. They're both pretty garbage in terms of day trading. Oh, let's see if this is a buy signal. 1 second. So normally with this setup right here, I would go very lightly long at the close of this candle, and then I would average down as we get closer to the lows of this candle. And then I would basically have a stop loss below this candle. That's basically, I would have a stop loss literally at the low of this candle. And that's how I would trade this. So right now, I'm just being greedy. I want a bit lower before going long. I want. I haven't had breakfast yet. Woke up kind of late, but I would want like some nice, like sloppy, like pancakes, an omelet, a bunch of cheese. Yeah. Think that's what we're gonna have to do. this breaking the lows, that is really, really weak. All right, let's see. $394 is clearly 393.90 is support on the NASDAQ or the SPY. 282.11 is support on the NASDAQ. So basically, this showed a lot of buying pressure, right? This candle right here, 1016. As we got to close below 1016, that showed that basically a base of a lot of buying pressure just broke. So that's why this candle vomited to the downside. Market is just I would have wished there were more plays to take, but let's see. Let's see. Do you only go long? No. Do you actually make profits trading daily? I need to know. Yes. Yes, I do. Again, this is another sort of like 50-50 Any suggestion on where to invest my $500? Newbie here. All right, I would recommend you just focus on learning and saving your money until you get at least over 1,500. But yeah, like don't try to put in money into the stock market early on thinking that you're going to make money. You're basically you have to be okay with losing it, and that is your entrance fee basically to the stock market game. So yeah, like don't I wouldn't start with a $500 account. I would just save up and use the time to learn. Naan nahari and aloo paratha. Damn. Make me hungry. This is the 1 minute time frame. Usually, as soon as I get off stream, I have meetings and stuff, so I can't look at DMs as soon as the stream is over. Then I just try my best to look at them sometime during the day or at night, normally. Yeah, the market is just really choppy. This is options trading primarily. And I just trade based off of price action, basically. Support and resistance. What if you were mostly long equities and you wanted to trade against that from the short side only? Yeah, I mean, you could hedge your position in many different ways. But yeah, guys, you guys have to understand that I get a lot of messages every day, so just be patient. Yeah, so far the market is just very choppy. We're seeing a lot of volume coming in. They're painting a very bullish picture again, but we're literally right below support or right below resistance. So this is just this could just be another fake out. And pragmatically, what we've been seeing so far today is the market has been bearish. So going long here would be pretty, it would be very aggressive to go long here, to be honest. This is the type of trade I would take if I were not streaming. But yeah, it's not safe, to be honest. Make any money today? Yeah, we caught a really nice long contracts. Everyone should have been up at least on those, at least like 30%. Then after that, the market was just very choppy, so we didn't enter into anything. But the contracts themselves shot up like 40%. But yeah. What do you do for taxes? Get you get a good accountant. If you guys are new to trading, I would just recommend just download Thinkorswim. You open up a TD Ameritrade account, download Thinkorswim, you get access to all of this charting data and everything for free, and you acclimate yourself with this platform, and you should be good, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, like, what do you want me to say? Like, you have to pay your taxes. And then also the concept of like, oh, you know, there's no point of trading, you have to pay taxes on it, blah, blah, blah. You're paying taxes on money that you were never going to make before. So even however much tax you're going to pay on it, okay, like you wouldn't have made this money to begin with, so you're going to have to pay taxes on it. It is what it is. So don't not try to make money because you're afraid of having to pay taxes on it. Don't ever think like that. Hmm. Them holding the lows like this is pretty interesting for going long. Definitely very interesting. Hmm. so risky to try to take a trade here, but I would normally went long. Yeah, it's not even worth. I wouldn't. Yeah, no. Market is just so weak and choppy. like 90% of my friends are on vacation right now. I'm over here. We're trying to trade this choppy price action. Yeah. Oh well. It's not a safe. It's not a safe trade. But if they're going to rip it, it's going to be during this minute. It'd be during this minute and the next minute, and they would hold it above 393.85. There's a very little chance that they would drop it below 393.74, to be honest. But this is the market environment of choppy price action. So you never know. Yeah, garbage price action. Yeah, I think it's best we just don't try to force any trades. Literally, the market is not going anywhere. It's just chopping within this range. And there's no point of forcing anything. Um, yeah, guys, for all the newbies and stuff, you guys are wondering how to get started and everything, just send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I'll send you everything that you need to basically get started with. Everything's for free online. Interesting. Yeah, guys, honestly, there's nothing enticing about the market at the moment. My Discord link is in my bio. Ooh. Yeah, nothing's worth taking, honestly. But yeah, guys, hope you guys had an amazing day. We only took one trade, unfortunately, but you know, the trade worked out. Other than that, the market wasn't really giving many good opportunities. We were just very choppy. If there are any other good setups for swings or something like that, I will definitely share them. We're still holding the 388 puts, and yeah, I mean, aside from that, there's not really much else to look at. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna enjoy the gains, not overtrade, and yeah, we're gonna have a good day, get some breakfast, and yeah, take care. Thank you.